and welcome back to Teacher Gimble's channel. For more videos to learn and teach math, please like and subscribe to this channel. Today we're going to look at ratios. A ratio is a comparison between two things. Is a comparison In this question, what we are looking at is the ratio of triangles to the total shapes in the diagram. So we want triangles to shapes. To do this, we're going to count the number of triangles we have, which is 4, and then we're going to count the total number of shapes that we have, which in this case is 16. Let's go ahead and put this in to see the answer. So we have 4 to 16. Now to simplify, we can simplify ratios the same way we simplify fractions. For every one triangle, there are how many total shapes? So in this case, for every one triangle, let's simplify. If we can divide by 4 to get one triangle, we'll divide this side by 4. We see there are 4 shapes. So for every one triangle, there are 4 shapes. Let's go ahead and type that in. So for the simplified ratio is that for every one triangle, there are 4 shapes. Let's try another question to make sure we are getting good at this. Yes, our answer is correct. So let's go ahead. Let's erase the work from this problem and try one more question. We are remembering that a ratio is a comparison between two things. In this case, it says the ratio of triangles to squares. So I'm curious, the ratio of triangles to squares. So I'm going to count my triangles, which is 8. I'm going to count my squares, which is 20. And I'm going to go ahead and pop that in. So the ratios of triangles, which is 8, to squares, which is 20. We're going to go ahead. Now we want to simplify. So we're going to simplify a ratio the same way we simplify a fraction. So in this case, we look for a number that goes into 8 and 20. That number would be 4. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. We can see that visually that for every 2 triangles, we have 5 squares. And that's our simplified ratio. So for every 2 triangle, there are 5 squares. And we're going to write this simplified as for every 2 triangle, there are 5 squared. We are finished. Yes, our answer is correct. Go ahead and ask any questions you have in the comments. And if you'd like this video, please press like and subscribe to get more like it.